Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need the right tools and the first groove, so get a punchy, tight bass tone and low action that still rings clean. Once set, place your right-hand fingers over the pickup and play the root pattern to the kick. This builds pocket and timing. Then, make small syncopated variations on 1/4 notes to taste, keeping tempo steady. Practice short sections slowly. Use a metronome and isolate the main riff until it feels natural and locked with the drums. Now you expand into the middle, combine rhythm and melody thoughtfully. Focus on ghost notes and muted hits to emphasize 16th note subdivisions. This creates the percussive bounce you hear. Once comfortable, insert short melodic fills that outline the chord tones, using slides, hammer-ons, and tasteful double stops for color. While doing this, make sure to manage dynamics. Pull back during sparse sections and drive harder in the chorus so your parts breathe with the arrangement. Finish by locking everything together and knowing one clear fix if it breaks. Record the part in loops and listen back against the drums. Once you hear drift, nudge articulation or timing on problem notes. If the tone is muddy, boost mids around 300 to 800 Hz and cut below 40 to 60 Hz. If timing is loose, practice subdivisions slowly, then rebuild speed. Finally, rehearse transitions until your fills land reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.